Cloud mining sounds almost too good to be true. No hardware, no setup, just crypto earnings. But many platforms fail when it comes to withdrawals. So today I'm testing LvlMine to see if it actually pays. Traditional mining is expensive and difficult for beginners. That's why cloud mining became popular. You rent mining power online instead of buying machines. But the biggest question is always, can you really withdraw your earnings? Let's find out. This is the LvlMine dashboard. Here you can see your mining balance, active power, and daily profit. The platform supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Tron. You can also switch between coins anytime. Now let's check the mining plans. Each miner shows price, mining power, estimated daily income. Now I'm testing the withdrawal. I submit a payout request, and the status changes to successful. Then I check my wallet. And yes, the funds arrive. LvlMine also has a bonus section where users can earn additional rewards. You can claim a daily airdrop directly from the platform. There's also a bonus for writing a review about the service. And if you create a YouTube video review about LvlMine, you can receive an even bigger mining bonus and increase your earnings further. So the platform gives users multiple ways to grow their mining balance besides regular mining. Overall, LvlMine is beginner-friendly, simple to use, and withdrawals worked during my test. But remember, crypto always involves risk. Start small, test everything yourself, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching.